In this video, we'll show you how to create high-converting ads for any platform using Narrato AI. Narrato AI Ad Copy Generator, along with a powerful graphic design tool, can work wonders for your ad campaigns. The AI Ad Copy Generator can generate copy for any platform, including Google Ads, social media ads, and classifieds or marketplace ads. While a graphic design tool like Canva or Adobe Express can help you create eye-catching visuals for your ads, here's how you can generate ad copy using Narrato AI. To begin, click on the Ads category on Narrato's AI Writer. Here you will find all the different ad copy templates for Google Ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, classifieds, and others. Click on the Ad Copy AI template you need. We're picking the Google Ad Copy template here. Then, add your inputs on the template like your product type, details, and so on. You also have the option to add the product or service details as text or as a URL, such as a link to your product or service page. Then click Generate, and your ad copy will be generated within seconds, tailored to the platform you picked. You get multiple versions of the copy to choose from. This is great for A/B testing your ads too. You can also bulk generate ad copy using AI. Just click on the bulk generate option on the template, add a CSV file with your inputs, and get hundreds of ad copy generated within minutes. The Narrato AI app on Canva is another way to generate content and designs for your ads, social media posts, and more, all in one place. You need to have a Narrato Workspace account to use the app. Go to Apps on Canva and search for Narrato. Open the app and click on one of the options to use it in an existing or a new design. All of Narrato's AI templates that you love will now be available on Canva too. Pick the template you need, add your inputs, and generate the content. You can also add the generated content to your design with just a click. That's how easy it is to create ad copy using Narrato AI. Try out the AI Ad Copy Generator today.